On a manufacturing floor, the people making decisions are rarely the ones who wrote the paperwork. A maintenance supervisor needs to know if a machine is safe to run, but the answer might be buried in a work order, a shift log, or an inspection report from 3 days ago. Progress Agentic RAG closes that gap. It turns a plant's own documents into instant, sourced answers. This is the AI operations hub for Acme Corp, a fictitious Detroit manufacturer built on top of Progress Agentic RAG. On the Plant Monitor tab, John Doe, the maintenance supervisor, sees 4 assets tracked live via MCP: spindle vibration on a CNC machining center, hydraulic fluid temperature on an injection mold machine, pressure on a hydraulic press. When he asks the assistant about the mold machine that's on hold, it doesn't guess. It answers from the plant's own records, citing the exact work orders and production logs behind the answer. Switch to shift handover, and the same grounding shows up in a different form. Instead of a supervisor writing up notes by hand, the AI drafts a structured handover report. Production numbers by SKU, open work orders, equipment concerns sourced from 8 separate documents ready to review and sign before the next shift takes over. Defect analysis works the same way with an image. Upload a photo of a crack under magnification, and the assistant doesn't just describe what it sees. It cross-references open non-conformance reports, cites the relevant quality hold and first article inspection procedures, and recommends a corrective action, all traceable back to source documents. Underneath all of it is a knowledge graph, 48 nodes and 77 edges connecting assets, work orders, NCRs, suppliers, and the SOPs that govern them. That's what lets a single question pull the right answer from across the plant's paperwork, not just the nearest document. This was built entirely using the Progress Agentic RAG APIs, an example of what's possible to build on our platform.